Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to do the correlation, parameterization and page verification both BlazeMeter and Apache JMeter tool. Okay. This is the concept for today. How to do correlation and parameterization and page verification in BlazeMeter and Apache JMeter tool. Okay. My last video there is some internet issue. I stopped to the in correlation place. Okay. This is the dynamic value need to correlated dot star question mark dot star question mark. Okay, please watch the my previous video how you need to do this one, and this video also another script I will do the correlation, you can watch it. Okay. First you need to go to the where you need to stop it. Last time this place only I stopped. Okay, the correlation everything successfully executed, there is no any fail. Okay, this one will be done as per the correlation. Now you need to do the parameterization. How you need to do now? You can go to the pages, sign in and login page. There is a username password. This is for sample application. I am not created any username and passwords. By default one only I used username and password J2EE J2EE. Okay, what I need to do now? Then go to the test plan. You need to add to go to config element, CSV dataset config. You can add above thread group. You can create one notepad. Okay, you need to create the notepad. First you need to save that one. I will give the location is just a minute. I will go to E drive. E drive only I will given. This is the username password UP. I will given username password. You need to save them. In given the name username comma password. Username is J2E comma password is J2E. It's done. Okay, there is nothing else. Sample purpose only I will given this all the things. Okay, username password comma will be given, and pass your username password also J2EE comma J2EE. Okay, it's done. You can close it. Now we need to go to browse. Go to the system applications, go to E drive. There is a folder UP. You need to give. You need to select. And file encoding you no need to give anything. That is a format, UTF format or what type of format. You need to go and select it. You need anything, you need to select. Okay, I need to select UTF-8. Variable names. Variable names means you can go to the where is that one? Yeah, you can open that one. Variable names means this one. Username and password is the variable names. You need to copy. Go to the JMeter. A variable name comma delimited na you can give it. After ignore first line, only used if variable names is not empty. Ignore first line. Yes, you need to ignore that one. The reason first username and password is there, after only test data the J2E is there. That reason first username password you need to ignore. That reason true. Delimiter you used comma only. Username comma password. That reason comma will be given comma. Allow quoted data. Quoted data means I will show you. Some people is asking this one. Quoted data means example. I will given to the dot plus question mark. The quoted data means you need to give it to the double quotations. That time the total will be taken 1. Okay. Another way, another also is there. Same dot star question mark you need to close. Now you need to quotations will be given 1. Only one only. This is second one. This one will be considered this is a second one. but you need only both are only one place now. That time you need to clear this one. You this place you need to give in the double quotations. That time this both are will be taken, only one value level only will be taken in JMeter. Okay, you have any doubt now how the working to the allow quoted data? You can check to the Google, also will be showing different formats, also will be showing, but method is same only. Okay, allow quoted data you can give the false only, no problem. And recycle on end of the file. Once the file test data is ended, what you need to do? You need to recycle or ended. The recycle on end of file you need to give the true. It's only sample only, there is no unique data na. That reason now we need to give the true method na. Same username password only will using for the all the users. Stop the thread on end of the file. Once the test data is completed, what you need to do? Okay, it's a false will be given na. It's keep on executing only. Sharing modes, you know, this is the sharing modes is different methods. You can see all threads, current thread group, current thread, edit methods. Okay, in load runner how you need to use you need to give the group, basic. Okay, same only you need to use it to the this methods. Okay, I will after I will explain this all the things one by one how we need to use also. Now you need to select to the all threads. All threads you need to use the same test data in sharing mode level. Yeah, this side is completed. Now what you need to do now, you need to give into this username. You need to copy, go to the login page. This is the username, and given to the open the dollar, open and close, you need to paste. After go to the password. Yeah, you need to copy that one. Go to the login, and password is same only. You need to give the dollar, open and close, you need to paste. Okay, this side the parameterization is completed. After you need to go to the category ID. Okay, just a minute, I will open another notepad. Save. Yeah, same location only. Products list, I will given this name. Okay, after this is the category ID. Category ID comma, this is the category ID. You will given to the first name is the fish. Fish comma, to go to the product ID. Working item ID. You can copy this one also. Working item ID. Working item ID comma, working item ID. Okay, new order, there is not, there is no available, there is nothing is available, you can leave it. Store point of view, you need to capture this all things. Okay, you will provide it to the, it did not provide proper order format. Okay, you can take, and this is the last name and first name, first name, last name. First name comma my name, I will give it. Gauri, comma, last name is Shankar. After zip code, okay, you will give the first name, last name will done, address 1 and address 2.
No English. Okay, okay. I thought I'm looking for somebody. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay, address 1, comma, address 2. Address 1 I will given my location, KMV village, RTT village. Okay, after state and country is there, state and country, you can provide the state, comma, country. State is Andhra Pradesh, country is India. After we provided the city, city, Tirupati. After credit card, card type, expiry date. Okay, this is credit card, card type, expiry date. Credit card means it's a number you need to provide 10 digits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Card type is a Visa card. Expiry date is 12/23. Only one is zip code. Zip code. Okay, zip code is, yeah, it's done, and you need to take into the second one. Okay, the category ID is, you can go to the application. This is the category IDs: fish, dog, cat, reptiles, and birds. Okay, dogs, cats. Reptiles, birds. earbuds. Okay, after this one, okay, FISW01 and 02. FISW same only will given 02. But next one FISW01. FIFW FIFW01. After we'll take on this one and we need to paste it. After next one okay, EST1 and 2. That is the 2, that is the 1. You need to close 2 comma and 1 you need to put comma. You need to provide the names. This place Raghu Kumar, Lata Reddy, Krishna Kumar, Madhu Verma. Okay. Addresses is you can provide anyone. KV or KVR village, Sandra village, MTT village, Rudra village. This is the address 1 and address 2 is Kanya village, VMK village, Rettipalli village, BBT village. Okay, there is a states will provided Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. Okay, the country is same for everyone. Everyone will love this country. Only India. Okay, you need to provide everything in commas only. It's a very important in parameterization. Do not take any space, anything. After city is in Telangana. Chittoor is the city. Karnataka is the Bangalore is the city. Kerala, Wadiyam. Wadiyam is the city. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai is the city. Credit card numbers you need to provide anything. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Visa card na you need to provide the Master card. City card. Semi Master card. Visa card. After 15/23. Well, 10/25. Zero 8/29. Come. After final one, chip code. Okay, these are the test data you prepared. Okay, just you need to save that one products list to save. Okay, you can go to the and you need to go to config element CSV dataset config. Okay, you can go to the same location only, select the product list. You can open. Okay, you know everything, this all the things, you not revise anything. You can go to the location and copy everything, this one. First the variable name. Until zip code, you need to copy that one. You can go to that location for variable names, you need to provide it. After ignore first line is the true and comma will be allowed quoted as true, stop the false, all threads. Okay, now you need to parameterize the data. Take the category ID. Where is the category ID? You can go to the category ID, provide the dollar, open and close, you need to provide that one. After go to product ID, you need to take carefully without comma. Go to product ID. Dollar open close. It's a given product ID. After you need to give enter the working item ID. Yeah, you will give enter the working item ID. Working item ID. After will take into the first name. can take the first name now. You can go, this is the first name. Can provide it to the this is the first name will be provided. First name after will provide last name. You can go to the order detail, last name, the first place only, last name. Okay. After address 1, address 1. Address 1, address 2. You need to provide this one, address 2. Address 2 after, this one is the state. State. This is the country. Okay, this is the country. The country after that is the city. Go to order details. Where is your city? After, take the credit card. This is the credit card. Credit card after card type. Card type. You can go to the second one, card type. After is there is a expiry date. After final one, it's a zip code. The last one is the zip code. Okay, you almost completed. There is no any pending. This is new order is continue only. Okay, there is nothing else, anything in parameterization. Okay, now you need to save this file and close it. After, now you need to do the page verification. You can go to the assertions and you can use the response assertion. You can select the main sample only. You can select the response code, and pattern is, you can select the content, and you need to add. You can give the 200. I will give in. Okay, copy that one, and you need to add the remaining all the things. You need to verify only 200 is the normal way you need to verify in response session. Okay, you can see now it's already okay. It's all the response session will be provided. It's done. It's a correlation completed, regular expression extractor, and response session is the page verification, and parameterization you already done. Okay, it's already done. You can clear everything and save the file. Now you need to execute the script. uh, 308 permanent redirect. It is not an issue, we will pass only. Yeah, this is not an issue. Permanent redirect. Okay. Okay, this is there is a 308 redirect, na permanent redirect. That reason will be failed. It is not an issue, that one. You can try one more time. Will be past that one. Okay, this is the response message is or permanent redirect. The URL will be fetched to some other place, will be redirected. That reason only will showing this one. Just you can disable this one, it's not required now. But script side there is no any issue. You need to check first of all that one. As for the real application, he did not failed anything. Okay, you don't worry anything. Now you need to pass it now. Now also you need to get the 308 only permanent redirect, but it's passed. But response session is activated now, it's automatically is failed. You can see first URL JPEG store and JPEG store URL both are same only. There is no any difference. You need to enable that one, but now you need to totally disable. The reason JPEG store URL also same only. You can see JPEG store login HTTPS. JPEG store HTTPS, but JPEG store URL is HTTP. Okay, that reason only will be redirected. Now you need to execute this script one more time. Okay, yeah, it's done. Okay. Yes guys, today this one only, how we need to do the correlation and parameterization and the page verification, how we need to do. The concept is very large, but I don't have time. That is only shortly I need to complete this video. Yeah, my next video I will provide this is Blazemeter only. In Blazemeter, you need to record you need to do the correlation and parameterization and page verification. In my next video I will show you in JMeter 2 how we need to do same script, same flows only one video I will provide it, you need to see, but you need to practice the tool. That is very important. Without practicing you will face many problems in working time in company. And at the same time the sprints agile methodology it did not provide that much time. That reason you need to very fastly need to do for, you need to many number of times you need to practice tool in LoadRunner, JMeter, NeoLoad and Dynatrace, AppDynamics and Neuralink, Splunk tools and AWS, Azure, GCP. These all the things you need to practice very well now. That time you can fastly need to do your work. Okay, be practice. Without practice you are not able to succeed. Okay. Yeah, today video this one only. You're able to see for the correlation my previous video, you need to see one video that is a correlation will clearly mention, and this video especially parameterization and page verification only. Okay, that's all guys this video. I will connect to my next video. I will show you only one video only all the details. Thank you everyone. Bye.